Hi, I'm Jacques Pépin and I'm cooking at home.
I love endive. In Belgium they call that chicon, and what the chicory they call it endive. So, well, this is it's a winter chicory, which grows out. There is no photosynthesis. It goes in the cellar. That's why it stays white. And those endive like that, I like to braise it. Usually I have 2 large endive here. Well, large enough for 2 people, 1 per person. And I would say about 10 ounces here of endive. Put them in there. About, I would say, this is half, so about 1/3 of a cup of water at the most. Maybe 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar, a couple of tablespoons of butter. That's it. Sometimes I do it in a skillet with browning it more, but the classic way is this way. Maybe a bit of lemon rind, so you can see. You can see I have here probably a teaspoon, probably I would say maybe 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Bring it to a boil, cover it, and cook them 10-12 minutes. Okay, let's see. See my endive now? Yeah, they're about tender, but not mushy. I don't like them to, but they are, and as you can see, there's basically no liquid left. So you can always increase the temperature a little bit. This is on very low, and to finish reducing the juice. About fine now. I mean, I like braised endive with a lot of things, from fish to meat. A little bit of that butter on top here. Very nice. A dash of chives on top for color. And here is the braised endive. Bon appétit and happy cooking.